Christina White of Christina White Salon. We're so excited you're interested in Christina White blended extensions. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, but today I'll show you how our extensions are applied and talk about our method that is safe if you have thin or thinning hair, you want length, or overall just fullness. I'm going to quickly run through the Christina White blended extensions. Remember that we will always personalize your extensions to your hair goals and your lifestyle. I've been installing hair extensions since 2007 and have been certified in all the various methods over the years. Myself, along with my amazing team at Christina White Salon, have installed literally thousands of extensions. That's why I came up with the Christina White blended method. The Christina White blended method focuses on installation that hides the beads and the wefts, color matching, custom coloring and rooting the extensions when needed, and the most important and largely missed by other methods, the blend. Blending your hair with the hair extensions is a largely overlooked process because it's crucial for a natural look. We do all of this while keeping the health of your hair and scalp a top priority. CWB is a start-to-finish custom application. We started the consultation by expertly matching your extensions to your natural hair. We will custom order and color your hair or the extensions if needed for the right match. Hand-tied wefts are the most undetectable extension method because the hair seamlessly blends in with the natural hair when a custom root is applied. You will be able to wear your hair up in a high pony or down because the wefts and beads are hidden. We make sure the corners stay down without using any glues or adhesive and custom match the thread to your natural hair color. The placement of the hair extension weft depends on the look you are trying to achieve and also your lifestyle. We will go over your needs in a free, no obligation hair extension consultation. Once the hair extension wefts are installed, we then start with the blend. The blend is a highly skilled cutting technique that blends your natural hair with the extensions. Without proper blending, the extensions will be visible and look completely unnatural. The CWB method blends your hair with the hair extensions, giving a seamless, blended look, making it look like your hair, and no one will be able to tell it's extensions. We proudly sell Christina White hair extensions, along with Bellamy, Aqua, Hair Dreams, She, Bombshell, Babe, Donabella, and various other trusted brands. All of the hair we use is guaranteed to be 100% cuticle intact Remy human hair. I hope I answered all your questions today. The next step is to book your custom consultation with one of our hair extension experts, and we look forward to seeing you at the salon really soon.